Welcome to our in-depth review of the KINESIS Freestyle2 USB-A ergonomic keyboard with VIP3 lifters for PC. A remarkable ergonomic solution designed to cater to your comfort and productivity needs. This keyboard is purpose-built to reduce strain on your hands, wrists, and forearms by offering a split design that can be separated up to 9 inches and rotated to suit your unique body type. In today's review, we'll explore its key features, real-life performance, and how it stands against competitors to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Starting with the standout award-winning split design, the Freestyle2 allows unparalleled flexibility by letting you adjust the separation between the two key modules. This design is particularly beneficial for those who spend long hours typing, as it encourages a natural hand and wrist position and minimizes repetitive stress. Another impressive feature is the adjustable tenting. With the integrated VIP3 accessory, the keyboard offers 5, 10, or 15 degrees of tenting. Not only does this elevate your typing comfort by keeping your forearms neutral, it also features integrated cushioned palm supports that prevent wrist droop and fatigue. The keyboard's standard Windows layout, including hotkeys such as cut, copy, paste, multimedia controls, and an embedded numeric keypad, ensures a familiar feel for most users. This makes the transition from a conventional keyboard almost effortless, as no additional software or special drivers are required. Coupled with low-force key switches that deliver tactile feedback, the Freestyle2 excels in providing a responsive yet gentle keystroke. This reduces finger fatigue and minimizes the impact, making long typing sessions less strenuous. In real-life scenarios, users appreciate the ease of customization that the split design offers, especially when alternating between different work postures. However, it is important to note that the initial setup might take a bit of time as you adjust the modules and experiment with the tenting angles to match your comfort level. Compared to other ergonomic keyboards on the market, the KINESIS Freestyle2 stands out with its blend of versatility and user-friendly design. High-priced alternative ergonomic models sometimes offer features you may never use, whereas this keyboard focuses on practical adjustments that offer genuine benefits. For optimum usage, make sure to fully customize the separation and tenting angles during your first setup session. Experiment with different configurations over a few days to find the sweet spot that minimizes strain. Overall, the KINESIS Freestyle2 is a strong contender for anyone looking to improve typing comfort and productivity. It is especially recommended for professionals, writers, and gamers who are conscious of good ergonomic practices. Thank you for tuning in, and happy typing, viewers.